Mackenzie was diagnosed 7.5 years ago with a rare kidney disease called focal and segmental glomerulosclerosis. I chose to believe that no matter what happens, we will make her live. And we will find the equipment we need, the doctors that we need, all the information that we need to help heal her. And I didn't have to go far because the doctors at Nemours were able to give me all that information. They treat your child like it's theirs. You can't ask for anything better than that.
What Nemours does for me on a personal level is allow the expression of why I became a physician in the first place, and that is to really help children.
Each of us has made a choice to join one of the country's most unique pediatric healthcare systems. We share a love of children and a commitment to providing the highest possible level of personalized care, not only in our hospitals and clinics, but in homes, schools, and our communities.
Nemours means caring. Caring for the patients and caring for the family. It's just about caring.
From the legacy of Alfred I. DuPont, spanning more than 70 years, thousands of dedicated Nemours professionals have honored families' trust to care for their children.
I love my job. It's very rewarding.
I work in the inner city and I take care of patients. I've been taking care of patients there for 15 years. Now taking care of the kids, of the parents that I took care of, being down there, being there for the children. Most rewarding job in the world.
Hey, Train.
At Nemours, we stand for children, singularly focused on positive outcomes and their healthy well-being. We want each child to benefit from our knowledge and commitment of finding better ways to prevent and treat even the most serious childhood conditions, giving every child the best opportunity to thrive.
I come to work every day. They have their smiling faces through all of their challenges, through everything they struggle with. They are just an inspiration to me. That's why I love working for Nemours.
We look for people who want to serve and know that it's their job to make a family comfortable and to do their part to provide peace of mind. That gets at the nut of why I think we're going to be different than most healthcare institutions.
It almost chokes me up, actually, talking about it, because I know that we do good work, and very proud to be here.
We take care of each child as if they were our own. This is the Nemours way.
As a mother, Nemours is a safe haven for me and my children.
I smile at everybody. I'll look at the child and I say, "Is that your name?" And then they look at me and they smile.
Being able to take care of the children the way that we do and foster the love for them as their parents is undescribable, to be a part of that atmosphere.
My job seems to be a sort of specialty where I try to rehabilitate kids by making artificial limbs and braces. But when the parents smile, you know you've done a great job.
We exist solely to restore and improve the health of children. And to not only say that, but to apply all of the resources of the organization to that single goal is very special. And it's what keeps me here, and I think it's what keeps all our employees here.
And being at a facility that not only supports that, but has made that its mission to provide not just good medical care, but family-centered care, the child always in mind. And that's what Nemours means to me. It means people from the top down who every single thing cycles back to the child and their family.
We share in protecting children's health,
helping them thrive by every means possible.
World-class pediatric specialty care.
With integrated teams that span all disciplines.
Groundbreaking research.
Life-changing prevention.
education and wellness programs,
including the millions of kids and families we reach beyond the walls of nemours through resources like Kids Health.
Far-reaching philanthropy.
When we see a child, we know we aren't dealing with a single individual, but that entire family and extended family is affected. At nemours, we realize that what we provide is hope. And providing that type of care is aimed at giving that family peace of mind that everything possible has been done.
In everything we do,
Nemours stands with families
in our communities
for the promise.
The promise.
The promise.
The promise.
La promesa.
The promise.
The promise.
The promise.
The promise.
Of every child.